Hello and welcome to this first lecture on this new section on using AI for daily reflection and journaling as a coach. In this course, AI for personality development for successful career and life. So we will begin by, talking about what can you do with the AI summary of your day in 3 points of wins, lessons, and things to improve that you would have fed it and it would have reverted with that summary. So let's take a look at that. And it would have started with giving AI 10-15 minutes of your day, and you would have given a prompt to AI to ask reflection questions, five, and basically to improve your self-awareness, emotional control, and learning. And then you would have asked AI to summarize your, wins, lessons, and things to improve tomorrow. So the question is, what do you do with these, points? That's AI summary that AI comes back on your wins, lessons, and things to do tomorrow. So what do you do with them? That's the question. Let's try and answer that question in this lecture. So first thing is to, as an overall point, you should use this as a daily execution loop, not only for thinking, not only for reflecting and saying what to do. So plan on a daily basis the actions that you will take and then take them, see the results, give the feedback to the AI and come back and do the next day's plan. So it's a pretty intense work, but it will result in a lot of improvements that you want. So first thing in this daily execution loop is to use wins for to reinforce confidence, however small they are. So for using these small wins to build confidence, what you need to do is to pick one win and write why did this happen? Analyze that win and identify a strength or the strength or behavior behind it and decide how can I repeat this tomorrow? Only tomorrow. It's a daily cycle. And that will result in building earned confidence and strengthening your positive self image. Start with using the wins to reinforce confidence in this manner. Second thing would be you would also have some lessons. So use them to upgrade your thinking. Convert each lesson into a rule so that we're going to explain you now. Says example. The lesson is meetings go better when I prepare. If that is the lesson, you make a rule saying always enter meetings with three bullet points that you have prepared and save the best rules in a personal playbook. And the outcome would be you would be improving, judgment, maturity, and decision making over a period of time. So that's how you use lessons to upgrade your thinking, career, and life. Then there are things it would have said that you need to do tomorrow to improve, right? And what you do there is you choose only one improvement for tomorrow, not more than one. Make it small, specific, and observable. Say, for example, if it is communication better, instead of that, make it specific, saying ask one clarifying question in a team meeting because that's specific, that is measurable and observable. And then decide when and where you will do it. And the result would be you will turn this reflection into real behavior change because you will start implementing these changes from tomorrow, right? Then close the loop. And that's a critical step because, based on whatever you've done, ask AI that based on today's wins, lessons, and improvements, what should I focus on tomorrow to grow my personality steadily? So feedback into AI daily basis. Plan, execute, take the result and feed it to AI. And then what you do is you execute and review and repeat on a daily basis. So close the loop. Right. Then this is a simple daily formula that you can apply. Let's understand that, wins gives you confidence, lessons give you wisdom, and improvements gives you action. And this is how AI journaling compounds into a strong personality, career growth, and life clarity over a period of time. So what do we do next now? So in the next lecture, we will take a look at, AI would have also given you some patterns that AI sees in your behavior and thinking, right? So the question is, what do you do with these patterns? And that's what we will address in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on using AI for daily reflection and journaling. As a coach, I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.